Hello everyone. What is the basic difference between built-in templates and themes? Open PowerPoint. Now we know that we can create a new presentation either through blank presentation or through any built-in templates from these categories, or you can search here for a category of built-in template. Now if we create presentation by blank presentation, then you have to click on blank presentation. Here you will see that nothing is there, everything you have to design by your own. Everything you have to design by your own. The background color, then font style, font color, then different type of effects, everything you have to give here. It is like a white page, you have to create everything, but for your easiness and quick work, some built-in templates are there which are ready-made slides that you can use for a particular purpose. So built-in templates, from these categories you can select any built-in templates, but your computer must be connected to the internet. Already I have downloaded the certificate built-in template because I want to create a certificate in my slide, so I have already downloaded it. For that reason it is showing me here. So whichever built-in templates you have already downloaded in your computer, they will be shown here when you click on new. When you want to create a new presentation, then it will show you the options of blank presentation. Along with it, it will also show you those built-in templates which have already been downloaded on your computer. And if you want to download more built-in templates, then you can search here or select from these categories of built-in templates. Then you have to connect to the internet, and then again you can download and create it. Now what is the basic difference between built-in template and themes? Built-in templates, okay, I have inserted this certificate template in my slide. See, you can see I don't have to create the design of the certificate. Already a background design has been there, the border has already been given. Then you can see the background colors, background style has been already been done here. The font style, the font size, even the content. Content means I want a certificate type of format, so even it is written that how the certificate will look like. So they have already made a format for our certificate. We don't have to work on it. We don't have to give our time in designing the certificate. Already the design has been made previously, so it makes our work very quicker and easier. We just have to make some changes according to our requirements. Suppose if I want the name, I can change the name here, I can change the date here. So only few changes you have to make and our design is ready. But in themes, the content is not there. You can see here, along with the background style, the font, not only design, even content is there in built-in templates. Content means, as I am writing a certificate, so they have written the format of the certificate also here, how the certificate will look like. So this is called the content. So built-in templates have not only the design style, they also have the content. But in themes, there is no content. There is only the background style and colors. For that, if you want to see how the themes look, we'll go to the blank presentation. Here I will be able to show you how the themes will look, because for themes we want a blank presentation. Theme is also a built-in template that can be applied to the entire presentation. That means whichever theme I will select, it will be applied to all our slides. But there will not be any content, only it contains some background design. It does not contain any format or content, because it does not belong to any category. Like built-in templates, we choose according to our need, we select some categories, but here we don't have any categories because these are only for background styles, designing the background. So we'll go to design tab in the menu bar, and here you will see some themes. You can scroll by selecting this down arrow. You'll see, when you click, you will see many themes are there. You can apply any themes. Suppose I choose this theme, you will see this theme has been applied. Now you can see here there is no content, that is, there is no particular format for any category, because this is a general format. That means it can be education also, business also, whatever we want we can do in it. It is not related to any particular category. It is a general category. So themes are, the basic difference is themes, the first difference is themes are only background styles, whereas built-in templates are background styles. Along with it, it contains some content related to a particular category. Second difference is that themes are for general purpose, whereas built-in templates are for particular purpose related to a particular category. Third difference is that these themes are always available in our PowerPoint. It does not require any internet connection to get downloaded, but built-in templates always requires a internet connection. If you have already downloaded a built-in template, then it stays on your computer. But if you have not downloaded any built-in template, you have to download it first, then you can use it afterwards whenever you wish. So built-in templates require internet. If you are using built-in template for a first time, you need internet. There are lots of built-in templates. If you are using a particular built-in template for the first time, then you need the internet, because you have to download it first. After downloading, it will stay on your computer. But if you are using for the first time, then you have to connect your computer to the internet. But for themes, you don't need any internet, because they are already stored in the PowerPoint. application. So these are the three main basic differences between a built-in template and themes. Now, if you want to insert a new slide in this blank presentation, after creating with the help of blank presentation, I have applied this type of theme from here. We can choose any other themes also. This is a theme, this is another theme. So whatever theme you select, it will be applied to your slide. Now, if you create a new slide in your presentation, you will see that it will follow the theme of the previous slide. That means according to the theme we have selected, that theme only will be applied to all other slides. The first slide may be somewhat different because it is the main slide or cover slide, and after that all the slides will follow the same format. See, I have inserted 4 slides here. The first slide is the main slide, so it is looking somewhat different from others, but the main theme is this one that I have selected. So whatever slides we insert, it will follow the previous slides. Now if you suddenly select this slide, this theme, then you will see that all the slides of your PowerPoint will get changed to this theme. So in this theme, you can see that the first slide looks the same as the other slides. But as it is the first slide, somewhat difference is there. Like here the corner is somewhat different in the first slide, but other slides you see somewhat different. So first slide will be looking like other slides only, but somewhat different will be there as it is the cover slide or the main slide. But after that all slides whatever you insert, they will be same in terms of their background style, and in themes there is no content, so it can be used for general purpose, and you have to create your own content by using the placeholders given here, or you have to insert your own text box for writing any text or inserting any picture, whatever. Inserting pictures and content I will come later on in the next classes. So mainly these themes can be applied to the entire presentation. When you select a theme, it is applied to all the slides of the presentation with the slide layouts. Coordinating colors. Coordinating colors means the colors that match your content. A matching background, some background you can see there, this text color is matching the background of this slide. Here you can see the text color, this is having some match with the background. So these are called coordinating colors, that means they are matching with the background. Then fonts, effects. So themes are for general purpose, and built-in templates are for specific purpose. So these three are the main basic differences between built-in templates and themes.